Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to block notifications on Mastodon. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to do that by clicking the icon in our top right corner. Now we're going to slide down to the boring zone. We're going to click on the first option we have, account settings. We're going to tap on continue. When we're here, we're going to select the icon in the top right corner with the 3 stripes. We're going to select preferences. And now we're going to select the 3 stripes in our top right corner again. And we're going to move into notifications. So as you can see, you have 3 options to block. You can block notifications from your non-followers. You can block notifications from people you don't follow. You can block direct messages from people you don't follow. So let's say you want to block the messages and the notifications from the people I do not follow. And we're going to go on and save the changes. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!